we talk about it as a highlighter on the nose, cheek, and
Yeah.
collarbone?
Do you want me to do brother sister, the one that you
Yeah.
have?
Yeah.
I actually just put a birdie reel on it, so I love.
Oh.
And I put this all over, so I just put a few dots.
Okay.
On my cheekbones, and I'm a big fan of.
Ooh. Oh, that looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
It's just very subtle.
Wow.
You can also put it underneath your eye.
Oh yeah.
I was thinking of that for you, Delia, is like if you grow your hairs out, you can actually just put this in and it
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
will mask it because the eye will go to your your brow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
And then you could like
Ooh.
literally put it on your neck, your collarbone, décolletage.
Yep.
Oh yes.
So great. You have that product, right, Delia?
I'm literally putting it on.
Oh. Delia has like her,
It gives you like a glow.
yeah.
I know. I love this. I love this so much.
So
You
that's
can
like another way to wear it. Yeah. Oh, that looks so good on you.
Yeah.
I love it.
I love this.
And then, so I didn't even show you the brow, but I mean, the brow is,
Oh yeah.
mandatory. I can, you know what? I'll put the gold on my brow. It will completely transform. Or I could put sun and moon. Which one would you prefer?
I
Do you
have
a
real, fake, or known, unknown. Known, unknown, or real, fake. Let's do the gold.
Let's do the gold, real fake. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my magic swab, which I absolutely love. I have not bought a Q-tip yet, and I want to tell you the reason why I decided to create this is I was really tired of like single use.
Oh,
Yeah.
so much. So
I use so many Q-tips to put on makeup. And I also, when I created the brow color cream, and it's really an all over color cream. And just a fun fact, the reason why I named it brow color cream is I wanted to open people's minds of where makeup should be worn to
Right.
create like a whole new category because no one had ever thought about putting color on brows. But I don't want that name to mislead people to think it's only for brows.
right.
And with that, I used a lip gloss wand because I wanted people to be able to wear it everywhere versus a mascara wand, which then you would only really put it in hair. So as a response to that, we came up with the Tude Magic Swab,
Oh,
which has
cool.
these perforated nubs on one side and flat on the other.
Oh, that's so cool.
Actually put it in the vial.
Mm.
And
So cool.
helps put it in the hair.
Wow.
Oh, that is so cool.
So I can do two things. I can either put the product on
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
and then I could spread it with the magic swab.
You have got to be really confident to wear this look out and about. Feeling really confident that
It
day.
looks like a bleached brow. So it's like,
Yeah.
it's not even, and then I could put the brown, color on if you wanted to kind of see it. There's also, that's why we have a range in the products. If I put sun and moon here, I could show you the brown.
Well, like the first time you did it, you might feel like, as are people going to understand what I'm doing? And then you would love it. And then you would always do it.
Yeah.
Very
The first
cool.
time you try something new. Yeah, that's beautiful.
And so this doesn't look like, I didn't do a great job. I was just kind of doing but yeah, I mean, it's funny to see kind of two sides. But this is the known unknown, which is a brown.
Love it.
For if
I
you're
know, that's so cool.
and you can
Love
kind
that color.
of brush it in. And it really just fills in your brows. So it's like a brow.
I like that. I love that.
So anyway, and then I can show you the magic of the remover, which I think is like such a secret in Tude Beauty. Yeah. And I shot a really cool TikTok that we haven't aired yet on the remover that you'll love. But where the Tude the soap brows turn it on, like we're all about turning it off.
Yeah.
You can totally take this out and wash your body with it. I actually wash my whole face with it.
Okay, wait, what is that?
This is the turn it off makeup remover.
Oh, I didn't know. So turn it on is the soap, for the brows and then turn it off. That's great.
And this came about, you'll appreciate this. I created this brand out of my kitchen. Like it was like Mama's Test Kitchen. And when I was experimenting with all of the lab samples, I couldn't find a remover that actually took things off. So again, I fell into the remover business very unintentionally. I had no desire to. And kind of the same concept where you get the toothbrush wet. You do a couple swivels like this where you rub the product on.
Okay.
And what's awesome is the same way you brush your teeth, you brush your brows.
Oh, wow.
Also so satisfying. Also wonderful for follicle stimulation.
Exactly.
And talking about thinning brows, like this is something, an area that no one brushes.
No, and they sure don't moisturize or anything. So that's really great.
And I just wanted to show you, I'll do my whole brow.
Yeah. Then you wouldn't have flaky anything, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. Just so you
It's like exfoliating almost kind of gently, you know.
it feels so good. It's like the feeling of like when you're sitting in a salon and someone gives you like a hair scalp.
Yes.
So you saw I put the soap on and literally in one swipe, look at that,
Wow.
the product is gone.
Oh, that is so cool.
And you can see up close, like I'm not making this up. There's no gold or brown.
Wow.
Right.
And that's it. Turn it on.
Amazing.
And then you know what I
Amazing.
do as well is I like to actually use my toothbrush on its own without product. So
Okay.
afterwards, I
Yeah.
just brush my brows just to put them back in place.
Okay.
Voila.
Love it so much.
Thank you.
I know I'm really into this whole superhero thing. I feel like